Hey guys, we just picked up this Bronco. It's a base, and you can see here it has the black grill. And we do like the theme of it, which is orange on black. We had the Big Bend rims thrown on. We got these from a local guy who took them off his Bronco, and they really worked well with the vehicle. But there's a little bit of chrome on it. It's kind of breaking up our yellow and black theme. It's that. And we are researching alternatives for this and that. And so we did purchase the black Bronco, bucking Bronco. And so today I'm going to kind of show you guys how to replace it. And I'm going to save this one because I have an idea for where I want to use this. But the first thing you would do is you'd kind of tape up most of the points where the Bronco touches, so that when the next one comes on you can sort of align it, because it's just on here with tape and there's nothing like stamped into this tailgate to kind of guide it. That came out nicely. Wow, that was actually pretty good. So that came off pretty well, easy. And we're gonna clean this off before we put the new one. And it actually didn't leave any residue at all, so we should be ready to go. Alright, let me get the new one. The part number for this is M2DZ7 842528-B. It's around 40 bucks, and we will link where you can purchase this online. Yeah, that looks good. We can take these off. Yes. And so before we begin, we'll make sure we clean it, and then we'll take the stencil . Can you bring that? Another wheel. So now we're going to put on the sound deadening. This does come with most luxury trim models, however the base doesn't get it. We will include the part number for this and its clips. So it's 13 clips, and we'll start with this one. Alright.